Welcome to FamiKit. Today we are going to show you how to remotely track your kid's live location with FamiKit. So why you need to track your kid's live location when they leave school or home without permission, plus the way when not accompanied by adults, get close to dangerous places by accident or encounter unkind strangers on the way. FamiKit location tracking allows you to keep tracking your kid's real-time location, view the location history of your kids, or create geofences and get instant alerts, which are the most helpful features, and we will show you how to make it step by step. Step 1. Install FamiKit on your kid's device, and finish the necessary settings following the instructions given. Step 2. Install FamiKit and view your kid's location on your own device. Open FamiKit on your own device, tap on Features, scroll down to find Real-Time Location. Tap on it to see your kid's live location. Step 3. View where your kid has recently been to. Similarly, tap on Features, scroll down to find Location History. Tap on it to see where your kid has been to recently. Use your fingers to zoom in or zoom out the map. Step 4. Create safe area for your kid. Tap on Features, scroll down to find geofences. Tap on it to add a new geofence for your kid. Tap on the map to select a location, and switch the button to select the zone. You will get alert when your kid leaves or enters the area. Thanks for watching this video, and please leave a comment if you have any issues. See you next time.